Hey guys, this is Matt for Creative, and today we are looking again at, well, it looks like it's my eyes. This is the Polaroid Go 2. It is my favorite camera by far. There are the larger Polaroids. I even have like a few. There's one over there. But this has been my favorite camera because of the quality and size of this camera here. Now, if you remember me talking a long time ago, there was the original Polaroid Go camera. That one had very bad picture quality. This one has a better lens. It allows for more light to come in, or a better aperture. I think I might be saying that wrong. And it has USB-C, where the old one had micro USB. But what they did is they made the quality of the pictures that come out of this much better, usable, because the first version was kind of a toy. This one is still one of my favorite cameras to use. And we're going to be taking a quick shot so you can see exactly how big the pictures are here. So that's the size of the picture. This is an iPhone 15 Pro Max. You can even set these inside here, which is something I like to do. I always have I always like having something in the window. You can put that in there. But look how small it is. It's just really nice. That means the film is going to be a better price, because if you've ever heard of instant photography from Polaroid, it's a little more expensive than other things would be. So basically it's half the price of the large sizes, and I still think it keeps good clarity. Now for now, I don't know if this is going to fully develop before we're done, because it takes some time for the color film to develop. So we'll just kind of like keep track of that. But these things have also gone down in price too. Like the last time I checked, Polaroid Go 2. I remember that these things were kind of going for, yeah, it's going for $80 at Target. And I think that's a great price, because it's kind of getting you, it's $60 at a place called Unique Photo. That is good. It gets a 3.9 out of 5 stars. It's pretty good, but yeah, wow, okay. I believe when I originally got this, it must have been a year or two ago now at this point, this was about $100, maybe a little bit more with tax, but bringing it down to like 80 bucks, that get like, they come in double packs, 8 photos and 8 photos 16 for about 20, and you can start for under $100 with that. And then you can just keep on going. Remember, the film does cost money. It's about, I think, $16.99 to $20 for a 16 pack of film. That's just about how much it is. But I love the quality on here. The only thing I wish they would do, and Polaroid, if you're listening to me, please bring out black and white photography for this, because as of right now, it is color film. And I love color film, but I love the crispness of black and white film photography, and I know they just changed the chemistry up to make it even better for the large size ones. So in 2024, this is one of my favorite instant cameras to get. It's something that I would really recommend to everybody here. And at a lower price, I think that's even better. So guys, if you have any comments or questions, please put them in the comments section below. We're doing these quick little update videos just to kind of get the word out for the best products in 2024. I'm listening to my radio and there's static on a digital radio. That is wild. Anyway, I lost my focus. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Comments or questions, put in the comment section below. Do everything like that. And I will see you next time.